guys, today I'm going to be doing a vlog at Subway for probably Vlogmas. I hope you guys like it. By the way, this is the vlog, I'm sorry, I can't talk. This vlog is the Subway in Walmart, near the Boulevard Mall and Toys R Us. So, yeah. This is the stuff we got from Walmart. And that's Walmart. And that's Subway. I am going to be getting soup to eat here, and Gabe is going to get a sub, and I think my mom is going to get a sub too, but I'm not sure. So hopefully those taste good. I'm getting broccoli cheddar. So hopefully they don't taste crappy. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just watched this guy eat the floor. He was with his cart, and he was driving his cart, and then all of a sudden he pushed his cart and he fell and it hit the floor. And I just sat here watching. And nobody helped him. It was really weird and rude. Okay, bye. I wish it really looked like this. Then I might like it. These pretzels look kind of like they were from a cartoon.
Oh, for the fountain? Yeah. Oh.
I'm getting this to drink. Gabe's getting one of those. Oh my gosh, look at this. Cream cheese and chive. I want these. I'm going to see how much they're. This is the soup. Here, I'll open it. It smells really good. I'm excited. That's how big the cup we get is. Now to actually eating. Okay, I can't eat this yet. This is really, really hot. There's literally steam coming off of it. These are the chips I got too. They're actually surprisingly good. The soup is good too. The soup is good too. As you can see, the soup is very good. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this Subway vlog. I didn't know that Subway had soups, but they are actually really good. Okay, so this video is actually not sponsored, just putting it out there. But I hope you guys like this video. Bye.